Hello, I'm Pharmacist Virginia, and in this video we're going to talk about tick remover cards. So this is normally a card that tends to be the same size as like your credit card, and what you do is you keep this card in your wallet with everything else, kind of like this. So it's really handy that it fits in. And so when you're out hiking, then you can just pull it out of your wallet and you can use it to remove a tick. So there are two different slots, if you like, for different size ticks. So you've got this one over here, which is really small, and you've got this one, which is bigger. And then you've also got this nice magnifying glass, so you can see the tick. If it's really tiny, you can just use a magnifying glass. And so what you want to do is, if you find a tick on your body like this, then this is kind of my pretend tick, if you like. You want to get the card as close as possible to the skin, like this, and then you just slot it around the tick, and then you pull it upwards so that it comes off, just like that. So if the tick was smaller, you'd use the other edge of the card, which is there. So this is probably much easier to remember because it will be in your wallet with you the whole time than a pair of tweezers. But with tweezers, you do the same thing. You would just be really close to the skin, just like that, and then grab it and then pull it upwards. So if you want to learn more about how to avoid tick bites, then you can watch the video on 10 ways to avoid tick bites while hiking. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you'd like to support the channel, then please consider joining. Thank you for watching.